Cookie Monster.
Yes? Why do you need me? Stupid monster.
Cookie Monster, what do you think about seaside?
What is seaside? Is cookie?
No.
Special cookie? Yeah.
No, Monster.
No.
This is this. You see? It's a seaside.
Why no cookie?
Because here is no cookie place.
Stupid place.
No, it is not. You can come here to relax and just rest.
Yeah.
And you can stop thinking about cookies in a
But
place
no
like
cookie.
that.
Place without cookies is bad place.
No, it is not.
It is.
Oh, okay, but if you wanna, we can find a place to buy cookie for you.
Big cookie.
The biggest cookie on the world.
Because I'm King Cookie. King Cookie. King Cookie. King Cookie. Where's Cookie? Ma! Cookie.
Cookie Monster. Goodbye.
Bye bye.